And last but not least, the 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. I think we've got this one sold, or I think it's going overseas. Lime over white, Survivor Cutlass, numbers matching 350 cubic inch, 4-barrel V8, numbers matching turbo hydromatic 350, 12-bolt rear, power windows and brakes, and new upholstery. This thing, it will knock you over when you see it. You can't stop looking at it. Mm-hmm. It's just an amazing-looking car, and one of those ones that really catches your attention, and I imagine it'll do well over in Europe, wherever it happens to be going.
Absolutely.
And if it doesn't go, check it out now on classicautomall.com.
Absolutely.